Today we're diving into a staple food that has been both loved and misunderstood: rice. Often shunned due to misconceptions surrounding its health implications, rice can actually be a highly nutritious component of your diet when prepared correctly. In this video, I'll reveal some secrets about rice that many health experts may not share, and we'll explore how you can enjoy its benefits while maximizing its nutritional value. By the end of this discussion, you might just find yourself adding rice back to your meals. The nutritional value of rice. Before we get started, I have a quick favor to ask. If you find this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support is invaluable and helps me create more educational content like this. Thank you. Now let's explore the health benefits of rice. First and foremost, rice is an excellent source of carbohydrates, which serve as the body's primary energy source. Carbohydrates are essential for fueling our daily activities and keeping our energy levels up throughout the day. Despite the negative perception they often receive, carbohydrates are a crucial part of a balanced diet. Different types of rice and their benefits. Rice comes in various types, each offering unique advantages. Brown rice. This whole grain variety is particularly nutritious. Brown rice is rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and aids in maintaining a balanced gut. It also boasts essential nutrients such as manganese, selenium, magnesium, and B vitamins, all vital for metabolism, bone health, muscle function, and the proper operation of the nervous system. White rice. While often criticized for being less nutritious than brown rice, it still has its merits. White rice is a good source of folate, an essential B vitamin that plays a crucial role in preventing birth defects during pregnancy. In fact, a cup of white rice contains more folate than many other staple foods, making it an important option for expecting mothers. Wild rice. Though technically not rice, wild rice is another fantastic choice. It's high in protein compared to other types of rice and is loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress in the body. Tips for maximizing rice's health benefits. To truly enjoy the health benefits of rice, consider these simple tips. Choose whole grains. Whenever possible, opt for brown or wild rice instead of refined white rice. These varieties retain their hulls, which means they provide more nutrients and fiber. Pair with vegetables. Boost the nutritional profile of your rice dish by adding colorful vegetables. This not only enhances flavor, but also increases your intake of vitamins and minerals. Watch your portions. While rice can be nutritious, moderation is key. Be mindful of portion sizes to maintain a balanced plate. Cook with healthy fats. Use healthy oils or broth when cooking rice to add flavor and enhance nutrient absorption. Stay hydrated. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated can help with digestion and overall health. Incorporating rice into your diet doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure. It can be thy choice when approached thoughtfully. With its variety of types and nutritional benefits, rice can be a valuable component of a balanced diet. So why not give it another chain of health? If you found this video informative, please like it and subscribe for more valuable insights into healthy eating. Thank you for watching, and here's to making nutritious choices together.